Alrighty, people. The stream is starting to get very filled up, so I recommend when you go to classwork, you look here. So it's still very organized over here. The directions are here, and you guys see lesson one, lesson two, lesson three. So this is lesson three video, and I'm gonna go over this one first. So as you can see, when I'm making these videos, the videos aren't made yet, so they're going to be attached. All right, so first I'm going to go to the objective. Generate and identify equivalent numerical and algebraic expressions. So the question is, select all the expressions that are equivalent to 8t plus 4. So this, I know, would be equal to 8t plus 8 times 4, which would be 32. So let's see if we have that. Oh, we already have that. All right, so we have this, that one. Let me put a check mark instead. It's a little bit easier. Hiya. Okay, cool. All right, then let me check what else is equal to 8t plus 32. This one, well, I got 8t because 2 times 4t is 8t. Then 2 times 2, which is 4. Nope, not that one. This one would be equal to 8t plus 4. So that isn't correct. I need 8t plus 32. All right, 4t plus 4t, which is this one, would be equal to, see, I'm going to combine the 4t and the 4t, and the 4 is just there. So this is equal to 8t plus 4 again, so it's not that one. And this one, I'm adding 8 plus 8, which is 16. Now this is 12 plus 8, 12 plus 8, which is 20. No, this one's equal to t plus 20. So that's not correct. And this one, let's check this one. 8, so it's 8t. This is equal to 8t plus, 32. There we go. All right, so let's keep that one. All right, so now let me put a check mark on this one. Okay, so it's this one and this one. All right, so let's make some models. It doesn't say to add models, but I'm gonna just show you a model. I would show this one. Literally, I would just put in a box. Don't have a box, so I will draw a box. I'm gonna draw a box. So draw a box. I'm gonna split it in two. So literally, I just have 8t plus 32. This is my model. That's it for this one. If I want to show this one, I would have, let me undo that. I'm going to have big box, I have the same box actually, but I'm going to split it into 8 equal pieces, because I'm going to show 8 groups of t plus 4. T plus 4. And type it. T plus 4 plus 4. I'm gonna make this really tiny so I can put it in my box. Okay, cool. Yeah, it fits. Okay, I'm gonna copy this. Oops, and then paste it. So in that corner. Oh, there we go. There we go. I may or may not have made too much. Oh, I just need one more. There we go. Okay, cool. Now you guys can see I have 8 groups of t plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Now this one, I have, how do I show that? Oh, I can show it like this. So I have 8 times t and 8 times 4. So I can show it using a rectangle again. So again, I have my 8 over here. So I'm going to do my area model. And then 8 times t. This can be t. And then this can be 4. Oh, nope, that's not right. That's not right. I need t to be up here because 8 times t plus 4. So this is 8t, and then this is 32. Ta-da! Because it's 8 times t plus 8 times 4, which is 32, which all equals the same thing. Guys, look, these three are all the same. Just 3 different ways to model it. All right, now if we look at the worksheet, if I go here, if I go to the worksheet, so come up with an equivalent expression. So what is equal to this? So this equals to 4x plus 8. It is also equal to, oh no, oh my, okay. Or, I don't know, I could put 2x plus 2x plus 4. Yeah, it really doesn't matter. You can do it like this, or you can do it like this. They both equal to the same thing. All you have to do is generate an equivalent expression. All right. So based on the distributive property, I know I need to use the distributive property. So I know if I distribute this is 4, and this is 8. 4x plus 8. 4x plus 8. 4x plus 8. So I use the distributive property here because literally I distributed this 4 to the x and distributed the 4 to the 8, which is, that should be 32. 32, did I mess up over here? Yes, I did. 2 times how much is 32? 16. That should be 16. Yeah, I messed up over there. That's fine. Now this one, what is y times these two? So then this one would be, if I go over here on this line, this will be 13. Oh my goodness, stay over there. If you're having these issues, another thing you can do is just insert a text box. Or you can just go up here. Equals to 13xy, because y times x is x times y, so it's just like that, plus 11y. And these are both prime numbers, so I think this is the only answer for this one. Yeah, so just distribute the y over here and over here. So the y goes here, and the y goes here. This one, the 7 and the 5. Yeah, there's probably only one answer. All you have to do is multiply 9 times 7 and 9 times 5. Make sure you keep the x and keep the y. All right, let me see. Create a model for this to show that it's equal to here. So just like what I did over here, explain why this is equal to this using the models. You can show it just like how I did it over there. Oops, that's for something. That's for the next thing. What does the expression? This means that there are 5 groups of 7n, and there's 5 groups of 8, which is 40. Or you can say it's 5 groups of 7n plus 8. All right, and this part, just find something equal to that. Oh, yeah. If you want to make a model, you can. But there's very simple equation for this one. All right. In terms of this one, you have your model, and you have to answer these. There are 7 questions, or 7 groups of questions. This one's probably the trickiest one. So it says insert text boxes to answer. All you have to do is insert, or you can insert drawings. Okay, so no, drawing, insert drawing. New drawing. So you can insert a text box like that. So right here, this is my drawing. Save and close. Where's my drawing? Right there. I'll move it around. No, you come over here. Oops. No, this is not where I want you to be. Press Control Z. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. I don't want that there. I want it over here where number 7 is. Insert drawing. See, I know when I combine W and X, you can kind of notice a pattern here. If I combine W and X, pretty much I need W plus X. So I'm just going to insert text box W plus X. I don't need this that big. I just need it like that big. Save and close. And I'm just going to drag this. I'm going to put this. All image options, size and rotation, text wrapping. Wrap the text, break the text. My face is in the way. Image options? Huh. Or maybe you guys can just skip this question. Just think about it. This one's being a little tricky. All right, just skip number 7 on this one. Because just think, okay, this would be W plus X because this is combining W and X. And you guys know, okay, this is W plus X as well because look at what is in. And then this would be W because look at the pattern, and this would be X. And remember, these are all showing the same thing. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I would put a 5 right here. This is X plus, what are we looking for? W. Whee! See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 W's. And this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's missing? X. So this would show W plus W plus W plus W plus W plus X plus X plus X plus X plus X. Or, yeah, no, it would just show that. This one would be 5. This one would be equivalent to, so number 1, the equivalent to 5 times W plus X. Number 2 would be 5 times X plus W. Because look, the X came first here, and the W would be here, and this is 5. Even though these are pretty much exactly the same, technically this model is showing this, but they equal the same thing. And then the last one, it's W plus W plus W 2 times more. Put a plus sign. There you go. Plus X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there we go. That's how you do that. All right. Make sure you press backspace when you're doing this one because it will push things to the next page and it'll kind of mess up the formatting. All right. If you need any questions on this one, feel free to leave a message in this assignment. So if you click the assignment, if you go to the instructions, make sure you click here. You guys see private comments. If you have any questions on here, just leave it here. All right. Goodbye.